In this video, I'll teach you how to add a custom cursor to your Wix Studio website. Start by going up here and open Inspector and ensure only pages selected. If more pages are shown up here or sections, just click on the gray area here and it should only say page in bold letters. Once you've done that, make sure you're on Design and then go all the way down to Cursor here and click Upload Media. You can upload an SVG file or you can choose from Wix's options right here. Let's say I wanted to add sunglasses. I could choose any of these if I wanted this to be a cursor, for example, because this is a glasses website. Or if I want to, I can also go on a website like this and download a custom cursor. Just click download here and then it's going to download as an SVG file, and you can go back to Wix website and click upload media right here and upload from computer and choose the file. This is what the file looks like on my computer. It is going to look a bit different than a typical image because it's not an image, it's an SVG file, as you can see right here. Now it's selected, just click add to site down here and wait a second. Once it's loaded in, you can see the size of the cursor here and you can adjust it down here. So if I want it to be a bit smaller like the normal one here, then you can see this is the size difference. Or if I want it to be really big, then it could be like this. Just adjust it to your preference, and then you can also click down here and click apply to more pages. If you want to apply it to all pages on your website, just click right here and it's gonna add this to every page on your website. But if you only want this for, let's say, the home page, then just leave it as it is and click away. Once you're happy with it, you don't need to do anything else. You can click here and go to preview if you want to and see what it's going to look like on your Wix Studio website. And this is what the cursor looks like when we're scrolling on our home page on Wix Studio. So that's how you can add a custom cursor in Wix Studio.